Today I am going to share with you a famous street food recipe of India, that is Phuchka, golgappa or panipuri. For Phuchka recipe, soak tamarind into water for a while. Now you need some fresh coriander, one onion, some green chilli according to your taste. Now for the roasted masala or spices, heat pan, add salt, add cumin seed powder, add coriander powder, add red chili powder and black salt. Now cook it for a while. After roasting Phuchka spices, we make Phuchka water. After soaking tamarind, squeeze all the pulp of the tamarind. Now add Phuchka roasted masala, chopped coriander, chopped green chili, chopped mint, and black salt. Now mix it nicely and keep it aside. Now for the Phuchka stuffing, you need boiled potatoes, chopped coriander, chopped onion, roasted Phuchka spices, chopped green chili, soaked gram, boiled gram, 3 or 4 tablespoon Phuchka water. Now mash it nicely. After mashing, spread some Phuchka broken pieces on the top of the stuffing. Now we're going to make Phuchka. For Phuchka, I bought some Phuchka, ready-made Phuchka from the market. Now heat pan, add oil into it. You can use any type of oil. I use mustard seed oil. After heating oil, now add Phuchka pieces into it. Now fry it golden in color. Now After frying Phuchka pieces, now serve Phuchka with Phuchka chutney, that is sweet tamarind chutney. This chutney recipe is the pulp of the tamarind, add ginger paste, molasses or sugar, red chili powder and cook for a while. Now ready to serve. For serving Phuchka, serve with Phuchka stuffing, Phuchka water and this nice chutney and enjoy with full of love. Take one Phuchka, now hold it, pour Phuchka stuffing into it, now dip into Phuchka water and enjoy. Thank you for watching.